Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how to use them to control the flow of your program. Control flow statements are used in Python to control the order in which statements are executed in a program. Here are some examples of how you can use variables and data types to control the flow of your program. 1. Conditional statements. Conditional statements in Python are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The most common conditional statements are if, else, and elif. Example: now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we are using a combination of variables and conditional statements to check the age of the user and print a message based on their age. 2. Loops. Loops in Python are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a condition is met. The most common loops are for and while loops. Example: now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we are using a variable called fruits to store a list of fruit names. We are then using a for loop to iterate over each item in the list and print it. 3. Functions. Functions in Python are used to encapsulate a set of statements that perform a specific task. Functions can accept parameters and return values. Example: now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this example, we are defining a function called add_numbers that accepts two parameters and returns their sum. We are then using variables to store the result of calling the function and printing it. By using variables and data types in combination with control flow statements, you can create complex programs that can perform a variety of tasks. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.